So this is different problem from this lesson. Okay, so a boat, a motor boat goes downstream in a river and covers the distance between two coastal towns in 5 hours. In 5 hours. Okay, before going to discuss this problem, we have to learn the concept of downstream and upstream. So what is meant by downstream? So downstream means moving in the direction in which stream or river flows. Okay, so downstream. Downstream means this is the river. So this is the river moving in the direction in which the stream or river flows. So this is known as downstream. Downstream. Okay, so the boat also travels in the same direction. In the same direction. It is known as downstream. That means so both stream and boat moving in the same direction is called downstream. Is called downstream. Okay. So this is moving of boat and this is moving of the river flows or stream. Okay. So both are in same direction. That one is known as downstream. That means both boat and stream moving in the same direction in which stream or river flows. So that is called downstream. Okay, so in downstream, river has some speed. River has some speed. That means speed of the river. And boat also some speed. Speed of the boat. Okay, both were included here. Because in downstream, river has some speed and boat has some speed. Both were included in downstream movement. For example, the speed of the boat equal to 5 kilometers per hour. For example, speed of the river equal to 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, so the total speed of both boat and stream in 1 hour is 7 kilometers per hour. Because that stream has some speed and boat also has some speed. Both were included both are moving in the direction in which stream or river flows in the same direction. That is known as downstream. Downstream means both were moving in the same direction. Okay, but that means boat and river flows both are moving in the same direction is called downstream. And another one is upstream. What is meant by upstream? Upstream means boat in the opposite direction of the river flows. Okay, moving the boat in the opposite direction of river flows or stream. Okay, so that means this is the flowing of the river. So this is the direction that moves river in that particular side, and this is the boat. This is the boat. It moves opposite direction to the river. Opposite direction to moving the water flows. Okay, so that means the moving the boat in opposite direction in which stream or river flows, it is known as upstream. Okay, in this way also a stream has some speed of the river and speed of the boat, but they were in opposite direction. Okay, boat is moving in opposite direction of river flows. Okay, here both were not included. Okay, here the river speed is excluded from the boat speed. Okay, for example, the speed of the boat equal to say 5 kilometers per hour and the speed of the river equal to 2 kilometers per hour. but they are in opposite direction. So here not included, excluded from the speed of the stream from the speed of the boat. That means the speed of the boat equal to 5 minus 2, 3 kilometers per hour. Both were because they were in opposite direction. Okay, here that boat moves 7 kilometers per hour, but in opposite direction, upstream movement, the speed of the boat, okay, in upstream movement 3 kilometers per hour. That means it takes in second case it takes much time comparison of first case. Okay, for example, in first case it takes 5 hours, for example, but in second case it takes 6 hours time, because they are in reverse direction but they are in same direction. So it takes low time but it takes much time. That is the difference between downstream and upstream. Okay, now we are going to discuss the problem. A motor boat goes to downstream in a river and it covers some distance from one place to another place, and it takes 5 hours time for traveling. 5 hours time for traveling. Okay, and it covers the same distance in upstream movement. It takes 6 hours time for in reverse order. Okay, if the speed of the stream, if speed of the river flows is 2 kilometers per hour, and what do you want? You want to find speed of the boat. Here speed of the boat is not given. Let us take speed of the boat in still water. In still water, B don't know, like x kilometers per hour. X kilometers per hour. So here boat speed is not given. Let us take x kilometers per hour. But the speed of the stream is given. How much? 2 kilometers. Speed of the stream. That means water flows is equal to 2 kilometers per hour. Here we have two cases. One is downstream and another one is upstream. Downstream and upstream. Downstream means both river and boat are moving in same direction. In same direction. But upstream means stream and boat are moving in opposite direction. Okay, so here both speeds are included. In upstream movements, the speed of the stream is excluded. That means subtracted from the speed of the boat. Okay, so in any way you have three terms. One is speed and another one is distance, another one is time. Okay, place number 1 to place number 2. For example, this is x and this is y. Okay, starting point x and ending point is y. So the total distance traveled, okay, we don't know, but in any way, in downstream movement and upstream movement, the distance from x to y and y to x both are same. The distance from Saluru to Vijayanagaram and Vijayanagaram to Saluru both are equal, as well as the distance from x coastal area to y coastal area and y coastal area to x coastal area both were same. Okay, here you write speed of the stream. Okay, you write speed and time is given. In downstream movement, it takes 5 hours time, and in upstream movement it takes 6 hours time. 6 hours time. Okay, speed of the boat x and the speed of the stream 2 kilometers. In downstream both were included. both are included. So 2 plus x plus 2 kilometers per hour, and speed in upstream movement, here speed of the stream is excluded from the speed of the boat, that means x minus 2 kilometers per hour. Because they are in opposite direction, you subtract the speed of the stream. They both are in same direction, you include the speed of the stream. Okay, now have to find the distance. Same distance. So already you know speed equal to distance by time. The relation among these three, speed equal to distance by time, but what do you want? We want to find distance. So here distance equal to time is in division quantity of transposition, it becomes multiplication. So speed into time. Okay, so distance equal to speed into time. Here speed equal to x plus 2 into time equal to 5. So that equal to 5 into x, 5x plus 5 2s are 10 kilometers. Here distance equal to speed into time. Here speed equal to x minus 2 into time equal to 6. Okay, so 6 into x, 6x minus 6 2s are 12 kilometers. Okay, from the problem, in both downstream movement and upstream movement, that boat travels in the same distance. For one time it moves in downstream movement, and next time it moves in upstream movement, but distance are same in both cases. Okay, so distance between two coastal areas is same for both cases. So distance between two coastal areas, two coastal towns is fixed. That means both distances are same. So x to y and y to x both are same. That means both distances are same. So that means 5x plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 12. So both the distances are same. Here you get to one of the simple equation, you have to solve it and you get the value of x. That x indicate the speed of the boat still in water. Okay.